Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the series of Python programming, as we are looking into regular expression, today we are going to look into the function called sub. So what exactly sub is? So it will eliminate anything that you are not requiring for a particular input. Say for example, when you are asked to give a number in a phone number, right? But there are various ways that people write their phone numbers, like they write in a different format, like with dashes or with spaces, and then in different type of formats are there. So if you don't want that sort of a problem while generating a database, then you can use this sort of Python script for a huge number of data. So first let's see what's the syntax of it. So write re.sub, that is library name dot function name. Then you give the pattern that you want to remove, and then what you want to replace in place of that. So this is REPL, that is replace. So like for example, if you want to take out the dashes and then you have to replace it with space, so you can do that. If you don't want space, you can just put this like double inverted commas without space. Okay, so it will just continue the next string. Then you will give the string variable over here where you want to, from where you want to find it, and then maximum equals to 0. So till max, this is an optional field. If you don't provide, it will do it for the entire string. So for if you feel that okay, it's only, I only want to remove it twice, so you can put max equals to 2. Okay, so this is what the syntax looks like. Now let me show you the actual program. There is an example that I have written over here, and we'll be running the example and seeing exactly how it works, but let's just understand it. So here first I'm importing the library, that is RE. Now I have a variable or a string variable, that is phone, which has a phone number and then a hash. That is this is the comment section of Python, right? So this is a phone number. So now what I want to do is I want to remove this Python comment style comments, and then I want to remove this dash. I just want, in short, I just want only the digits of the phone number over here and nothing else. Okay. So in the first phase, we'll remove the delete. We'll remove Python style comments. So for that, I'm taking this variable num re.sub. Then what type of string that we are looking for? Then it is hash. Then this dot star dollar means anything after hash which is alphabet. Anything which is alphabet after hash, we want to remove it. Okay, or anything after hash, we want to remove it. Then what we want to replace it with? We want to replace it with nothing. So I'm not even putting space in between these two inverted commas. Then from where? Then from the variable phone, and we don't want to put max, so as it is optional, we'll not put it over here. Okay, so we don't require, we want it for entire string, so we'll leave it, and then we'll print the phone number. Okay, so this is the new phone variable that we are producing, and then we'll print the num over here. Now this, what this will do, this will remove this part of the phone. Now, what if I want only digits in this phone variable, nothing else, nothing, no special characters, no alphabets, nothing. So you want to remove anything other than digits. So for that, I'm again taking this variable num. This is local variable, so we can use it twice. Then we are using re.sum. Then what we want to do, we only want digits. Okay, so other than that, all the alphanumerical characters will be replaced by nothing. Like nothing is what? Then it will not even be replaced with space. It will just jump to the next character. From where? From phone. And then we are printing it. So what this will remove? This will remove this extra characters, and then this Python style comment. Everything that is not a digit will be removed over here. Okay, so let's just run and see how it works. These sort of regular expressions are very much useful while you are creating a database. So like when you have a lots of inputs, and if you want a particular type of output, there you can use it. So this is a little application of it. So now, as you can see over here, phone number, first we just took out the Python style comments, so it will with dashes it is showing, and then we just wanted the digits, so we took out everything that was not digit, and so we got then only the number over here as the output. So this is how you use sub function in the regular expression of Python. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.